Hi everyone, this is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about the introduction of AirPush Native Advertising Traffic Network tutorial. Let's go! Welcome to today's video everyone. In today's video we are going to take a look at the AirPush. We have actually taken a look at the AirPush previously, but the way we actually looked at AirPush in the form of AirPush was a push notification network. But today we are going to go ahead and introduce the AirPush as a native advertising traffic network, and we're going to show a little bit tutorial how to navigate via the AirPush itself. So you might be thinking, what is this guy talking about? Native ads? What is native ads? I mean, most of y'all already know what is native ads, but some of y'all still have no idea what native ads is. So basically, native advertising is a form of paid media where the ad experience follow the natural form and function of the user experience which is placed. What it means literally is, for example, let's say a user goes to a blog and the user likes to read that particular blog, and what happens is when native ads exist over there, it will be placed just like a blog post. That's why they say that the ad experience with the user feels would be in a very natural form of that particular website, and that is the highlight of native ads. And also you have to keep in mind that when you're viewing a blog, there will be a lot of other ads, right? Banner ads and all these kind of crazy ads. So people have the tendency to have this kind of develop this kind of feature or sickness, we call it, because we are media buyers, right? So we like ads, but people, audience, they hate ads. If you go ahead from the media buyer's perspective and you go ahead into the normal audience perspective, you will hate ad. Also, let's say you're watching a YouTube video and suddenly an ad pop up, you will not like it, right? So the same thing happens everywhere. People hate ads, and this is where they actually develop a signals called the banner blindness. And native ads is actually, it was developed exactly to overcome this banner blindness. And if you ask me, did it work? Definitely it worked. So the form that native ads actually take is that native ads have to match the visual design of the experience that they actually in, and look and also feel like a real natural content. That means the user or the audience would not be able to differentiate between native ads and a normal ad. It should be really natural. But that's what we say, guys. But a study in Stanford University actually showed that people cannot native ads cannot fool anybody. I mean, native ads fool no one. That means everybody knows that it's native ads, but do they stop clicking on it? No, they still click on it even though they know it's a native ads. This might be a little bit weird for you, right? Why they want to go ahead and click on it still when they know it's an ad? That is the power of native ads, because they look so alike like the original content. So people, even though they know it's a native ads, they just don't care. They will just go ahead and click on it nevertheless. So the function of native ads, like I told you, was initially to overcome the banner blindness. So the native ads must behave constantly with the native user's experience, and the function should be exactly like a natural content as well. This is something that you should always keep in mind. So nowadays, a big company, large media companies actually monetize their content feed with native ads. Largest social platform in the world monetize native ads in feed ads, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr. The publishing industry is quickly growing like crazy. Companies like Time, Forbes, Wall Street Journal, New York Times, US Today are continuing to introduce new type of native advertising integration both on desktop and mobile that they will actually match their very own editorial feed. That means that they do love native ads. Not only love, guys, they actually use native ads a lot. But why do actually people go and use native ads? There's many reasons for this, guys. One of the reason is that because people actually care about native ads. Like I told you, people don't care it's an ad, but people care about native ads. This is actually proven. 25% more customers were measured to look at the in-feed native ads placement more than a standard banner. And also because the native ads is actually viewed at like original content, like the editorial content, consumer looks at the native ads 2 times more than the editorial content as well. Because imagine there's a blog and everything, and then you're scrolling down the blog slowly, then there's an ad over there, there's a native ads over there. You know it's an ad, but you will definitely go ahead and stop for a while and look at the ad, right? Because you want to know what is that ad, and that is the power of native ads. It's so engaging. And also native ads is very good because they do have mobile branding, which means 95% of the mobile media buyers report that native ads are very or somewhat very effective at achieving a branding goal. Not only that, final and utmost thing, important thing, guys, conversion rate. You want conversion rate, I want conversion rate, everybody wants conversion rate. And native ads actually registered 18% higher conversion rate or purchase intent than banner ads. And these are the reasons why they actually use native ads. So let's come back to our video, right? So we have already talked about native ads. Let's go ahead and talk about AirPush. AirPush is a network that we are currently in, and it's actually very famous when it comes to push notification, and they do offer native ads as well, because the AirPush was ranked number 2 in the 2014 Forbes list of most promising company, and they are also the winner of top innovator in advertising data. And this is because they are very innovative. They rely a lot on technology. This company is actually based in United States of America, and they do have office other places as well. So if you can actually take a look at the website, they concentrate along on, are you a developer? I told you, like, they are very concerned about the technology over there. So when you scroll down, you can actually see the ad format they actually offer it. So they do offer a lot of ad format here, and you can actually scroll down, read their customer. Their customer are huge: Coca-Cola, Toyota, Mazda, LG, Volkswagen, Amazon. I can keep going on, guys. So you can actually see a lot of stuff. Actually, big brands use the AirPush a lot. Individual, a little bit less, but big brand use it a lot. So you can actually see they are from Denver, United States of America. So actually, if you click on the advertiser site, there is actually a resources from the advertiser site you can actually use, where you can actually see and learn on the perspective of an advertiser on how the AirPush works and all this kind of stuff. And also you can actually go ahead and sign up into the AirPush. I personally sign up into the AirPush. So let's just log in into the AirPush, and this is how the dashboard of AirPush looks like. So everything actually looks pretty neat and pretty clean, right? This is actually a brand new dashboard that they have. Like I told you, AirPush is very famous with big brands. So maybe individual feel it's very bad to use them, but it's really high tech. They are very specialized when it comes to targeting, guys. Personally, I've actually did a campaign with push notification with push before, and it's simply amazing. The targeting and everything looks pretty amazing. So all you gotta do is just go ahead and hit the create new campaign and start building your campaign with AirPush. It's pretty simple, but there's a lot of features over here, guys. So you need to complete step by step, then only you can actually go ahead to everything. But there's a lot of features over here, and once you're done, you can actually hit a save and launch. So basically, I've covered a lot regarding today's video. I think we have reached to the end of today's video. I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you, or you managed to learn one or two things from today's video. That is the most important part of making these videos, guys, so that you actually learn something out of these videos. And also, guys, I really want to thank you all for watching. I will be seeing you in the next one, but before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.